Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the pump connector, you will need to uninstall the dishwasher first. To do this, turn off the power supply to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Next, remove the screws to release the lower access panels and set the panels aside. Disconnect the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Remove the screw to release the terminal block cover plate. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the strain relief nut and pull the wires out of the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the leveling legs to lower the appliance. Now, to avoid damage, very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Carefully tilt the dishwasher back so its rear panel rests on a blanket or carpet. Remove the screw to release the support rod. Loosen the clamp securing the pump connector to the pump and motor assembly and pull the assembly off. Remove the clamp from the pump connector and unthread the old connector to remove. Install the new pump connector by threading it into the wash arm support. Replace the clamp. Reposition the pump and motor assembly and tighten the clamp to secure. Align the support rod and secure it with the screw. Now carefully lift the dishwasher to its upright position. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Feed the wires back through the junction box and secure the strain relief nut. Connect the wires using the wire nuts. Align the cover plate and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve. Replace the lower access panels and secure them with the screws. You're now ready to turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and confirm that the dishwasher is functioning properly.